Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a chit chat. Now I've not done one of these in ages, it feels like, so let's get to it. Just got myself a cup of tea. I've already had coffee this morning, but it says good morning, let the stress begin. I love this cup so much, my mum got it for me. So I do get a lot of questions on Love and Tan, about my tan, how much does it cost, because I live in the UK. So basically I pay £10 for shipping, that is it. So in the US it comes to $49, right? That's not the price, it's about £38 in the UK. Am I upset by that? No. A bronzer that I do get is about about £38. But I always use a code with it to get something free. So I use a code like Charleane XO's code or Casey Holmes code. Any YouTuber that is collaborated with Love and Tan, I actually use their code and get something free. So last time I did the code and I got a 3 mitt with it, and sometimes I just need to get the scrubber. So I think that's on Charleane XO's that I get the scrubber. So yeah, I use an affiliate code to basically, it will give them a little bit of money, but I don't care because it's really good money. It's really good one for me. So normally like a knit is probably like £29, so if I didn't use the code it would probably be like 50 to 60 quid dollars that I'd be spending on something like that. So I'm glad that I don't do that. So if you do live in the UK and you find that Love and Tan is a little bit pricey, like for dollars it's a little bit pricey, just use a affiliate code with a YouTuber that has a code with Love and Tan, and just use that and you will get your money's worth. That's how I look at it. So on my main channel I'm going to be doing a lot of first impressions, a lot of throwbacks basically. I sorted out my foundations and I was thinking I don't really like this, but I need to do some first impressions. So basically the things I'm going to be doing in first impressions, I have to do this one. I've actually got no tan because these are incredibly light. These are ivory. And when I do tan I use the shade 290 in Fenty Beauty, and I use the shade Tawny in Estee Lauder. So I'm going to be doing like some first impressions, or to see if I still like it, see if they still suit with my skin. So it's all of these that I'm going to be using, and it's not going to be this one. The ones I don't like is the Fit Me Porefessional. Poreless. I don't like this because it's normal to oily. So I probably got this in the summer when I was a little bit oily. But I'm going to try the normal to dry one, see if that is any better, because I just don't like this one, so this is going in the bin. And I want to try a couple of high-end ones. Like I've tried Estee Lauder, I've tried Fenty Beauty, which are high-end. I want to try Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation because I hear it is really, really good. So I want to try that. For my weight loss, I know some guys I know some of you probably going, are you vegan? Are you not? What are you doing? Are you doing this, that? You keep changing your mind. What are you doing? I know I changed my mind about my weight loss. I know that for a fact. But as I was being vegan, I was really thinking of what to do, like what I need to do to like lose weight. And I was looking back on when I was younger and when I was in my early 20s, basically. And I lost 6 stone. Did that because I worked hard for it. I did have a thyroid back then, and I lost 6 stone. And I believe I did that with Weight Watchers. Like I believe I lost that amount of weight because I was working loads and I was eating McDonald's and everything, and I was doing Red Bull and shit like that. I went to Weight Watchers and I believe I lost all my weight with Weight Watchers, and I was really, really happy. Like I was happy to do that. I was like, I need to lose weight, I need to do it now. I'm gonna be going on Weight Watchers again because I believe that is the best thing for me at the moment, is to go on Weight Watchers and to basically lose the weight. So I am going to be going on Weight Watchers. I'm not labelling myself as vegan anymore. I don't want to do that. It's something that I don't like having labels. I just don't. I don't think it's for me to have labels. I just really don't like having labels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat what I want, when I want, and what I want to have. If it is vegan meals, it is vegan meals. If it's not, it's not. But I'm not labeling myself as vegan anymore because I just don't want to do that, you know. I just don't want to label myself anymore. It's just a lot of work just to label yourself, and I don't think that is right to label yourself because it just isn't right. So yeah, I'm going back on Weight Watchers. If you want to see weekly weigh-ins, like weekly weigh-ins on my main channel again, just let me know and I will be happy to do that. Yes, it's not on Slim World, but it is on Weight Watchers. I know my family is going to be like, Charleane, you keep switching diets, what the hell are you doing? And I know I'm going to get that from my family big time, but they have to understand that I'm trying to work stuff out, and I've actually finally worked it out of what I want to do. I did actually change my bag over as well. I used to wear a backpack and I used to love this backpack so much. I'm not having this backpack anymore. I used to love it. It used to be really small. I love the design from it. If you want to know where I got this one, I got this on Primark. I don't want to have that backpack anymore, so I opted for a handbag. So this is a Pool Boutiques handbag, and I got this in TJ Maxx a long time. And I want to go back to it because I absolutely love it. I think it looks really cute, you know, and it has like things at the end so you can put on the ground. But I'm going to go back to this handbag. I have so many handbags, roughly about 10 to 20 handbags. I've decided to put hooks on my wall and put handbags on them. So if I want to, I can see what handbag I want to wear for that month, or for, I will be using this handbag for quite a couple of months. Like I could get bored of that handbag, like I don't want to use that handbag anymore, it's just getting on my nerves, and I pick something else. So that's what I'm loving. So I am vlogging. I know everyone's been asking about the vlogging camera. The stand I use, let me just take it apart. The stand I use is a Manfrotto stand. I got this in Currys. This is the best stand I could actually ever ask for. You can lay down like that and stand up. It has grips on the bottom, and I love it. You can tilt it as well. You can have it like that, or you can have it like that, or you can have it just straight. I absolutely love this. This is really good, and it just screws on to the bottom of my camera. The camera I use is the Canon M10. I love this camera so much. It is really nice. You do have it. What I do love about this is a mirrorless camera, so you have to have like the lens poking out. I was going to get the Canon G7X Mark II, but they're expensive, and I don't want to spend so much money on a camera to then break, because I know the G7X, once you've had it for ages, it breaks, and that's not what I want. And like the screen, like it detaches itself, because the screen's like then it just attaches, and I think it like cools down, something like that. But this is the Canon M10. I've had this since last year, and I'm absolutely in love with it. You have a little button here, so you have to hold the button down and then take it out, so you can record, and then put it back down. That's what I love about that. I love that has the lens like that, and I love that. I need the strap again, because I want the strap again, and I can't find the bloody strap to save my life. Oh my god, I'm still looking for it. But that is what I use. That is how I vlog. I vlog like that. I put the one up the thing, do that, and then do that. So that is a camera. I love this camera so much. It's the Canon EOS M10, and I absolutely love it. It is just really good. Yeah, so if you want to see this makeup look, just let me know and I will do that for you. It's just something that I wear day-to-day natural. The lips I have on is Martha Moo by Tanya Burr. Love it so much. I love it so much. I'm going to be doing some hauls as well. I know for a fact that me and Daniel do want to move. We absolutely do want to move. We're not moving this year because I just want Daniel to get started, to get him to store manager, and that's about it. I want him to work hard. I don't want to be looking for places and everything and saving up while he's trying to be store manager. No, it's just not going to work. We are thinking to move next year. That is Daniel's goal. He's thinking of what he wants to move next year. That is the basic goal of his. I'm like, okay. Because where we live, I do like it, but I don't like it. I love the people around me. The only person I don't like is downstairs. Oh my gosh, she annoys the hell out of me. She has a dog downstairs, and it yaps and yaps and yaps and yaps. And I get sick of it. Like, I put my coin and stuff downstairs, and every time when the dog's barking, I had to stop recording because the dog's just barking. Me and Daniel do want to get a couple pets as well, but I do want to get a puppy. I don't want to get a dog. Oh my god. I do want to get a pug. But I said to Daniel, I said, if I don't get a pug, I said I wouldn't care any other dog I'd want. I said I'd want, if we can't get a pug, I'd get any other dog. I love pugs. They're so cute, and they look smushy faces, and I don't know why I just love pugs. They're just cute. But any other dog is fine. I know he wants to get a cat, so he doesn't say if we do get a dog, it has to like cats. I'm like, okay, that's fine. But trouble is, I do want a dog. It's something that I do want, and I want to love that pup. I want to love a small. I've always had like medium dogs, big dogs, medium dogs. I've already had a type of them once, and I thought to myself, I really don't want a big dog. I want a small dog. I won't be getting a pug yet. I do want to get a pug when we have a garden and when we move. So when we have a garden and when we have a house and that, then I would want a pug. I do want a pug right now. I don't want a pug right now because I live in a maisonette and I don't have a garden, and I find it's going to be really hard for the dog. He'll probably want to go outside, and I always have to put a lead on it, and I don't think it's fair to the dog. I just don't think it's fair. So I want to get a house and then get a dog. I'm really a dog person. I am a cat person, but I'm allergic to cats. Their hair that I'm allergic to. Cat hair, I'm allergic to cat hair. I don't know what it is. It might not be the hair, it might be that actual body that I'm allergic to, like everything. So I'm a little bit allergic to cats, and my husband knows it. Yeah, I'm doing some projects at home as well, on my house. I'm actually going to be doing some projects as well. Not right now. I need to wait a couple of months before I can do them. But literally, I'm repainting my front room again. I need to repaint my front room because the front room needs to get repainted. I don't like the colour. It just makes it really small, and the colour's a bit dark. I can see that's my colour behind me, and it's a bit dark, so I don't like it. I need a colour that is just going to be lighten up, so I'm going to look into B&Q and stuff like that to look at some light colours and get some swatches, buy some swatches and see what they like. And then I know this office will get moved again in the future. I'm so sorry. It's not my fault. It really isn't. It will be moved in about a couple months to about 3 months, you know. It will be moved up. If it does get moved sooner, I will tell you, but it will get moved again. And then the front room will be even bigger, so I can't wait for that. I actually can't. Once everything's done and I've moved everything, I will do an updated house tour, because I know you guys have been asking for an updated house tour. Like, we want to see an updated house tour, and I'm like, I can't update it right now because it's nothing to update. It really is nothing to update. Once we do get everything sorted and once everything is done and I've redone it, then I will do a house tour. It'll be really good to do a house tour. Everyone's going to be, am I doing still walk 10,000 steps in March? I do forget about the Fitbit and a walk. I don't know how many steps I've done, so I could have gone over 10,000 steps. I have no idea. People ask me, am I growing out my hair? Yes, I'm growing out my hair. Okay, my hair is a bit like, I keep changing my hair, like my weight. I keep changing what weight loss I'm going to do. Weight loss I'm sticking to. Weight Watchers is the #1 for me. Why am I growing my hair? I'm growing my hair to a bob. Like, I love my hair as a pixie cut, but I want it as a bob. So yeah, I am literally going to be growing my hair to a bob. I want my hair still short, but not too short like it is now. I love my hair as a pixie cut, don't get me wrong. I absolutely love it. It's the best thing ever. But I want to go a little longer. So I'm going to go to a bob round about here. Once I go to my bob, I'm going blonde. As soon as I go to a bob, I'm going blonde. And I can't wait for that. I can't actually wait for that. I was going to go blonde with the pixie cut, but then I thought if I go blonde with the pixie cut and it grows out, you'll be able to see the grow out. So I'd have an ombre look, and that's not something that I care to have. Like round about here, or to like, so it's not touching my shoulders. I don't want it to touch my shoulders. I want it to be like a bob all the way around. So once I do get the ends around about there, and if I don't, I do want to cut it so it's all one length, so I'll just grow it all one length, and that's what I do want. Don't want any layers in it, I don't want anything like that. I just want a bob all one length and blonde. That's all I want. I'm not going to go blonde. I'm going to do balayage. It will be a couple of months to a year before I can do that, because my hair tends to grow slow. At the minute I'm not using any products in there. I've just not used any heat stay on it. I've let natural air dried it. That is basically my chit chat for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please press the notification bell to receive updates when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.